Hello, welcome today. This is Darlington Gospel, and in today's tutorial, I just want to tell you something really simple, which is the high need for you to stay rooted. Okay, it's very important for you to stay rooted in this Web3 development and not be on every trend that is coming out on the software development space, because today you are actually thinking AI is going to be the thing. AI, everyone is wanting to be an AI dude, okay, which is cool. But the point is that if you don't really know the engineering skills behind building an AI, you just messing around, and you still are not rooted even in the AI. Because if you're going to build an AI, you got to be good with Python, okay? You got to be good with machine learning models, understanding those various data science packages, and doing all those things, and actually build those things yourself, and not just, it's not all about just utilizing ChatGPT and then you think that you're very rooted in AI. No, you're not. You don't understand how AI works. You don't know those AI's algorithms. There are so many kinds of algorithms. So I want you to understand this, that AI is a good field, and blockchain is a very important field, because it has to do with your finances. And I'm telling you, like I've said in previous tutorials, that there is a high move strategically, either by your government or by people that wants to dominate. There is a constant effort to censor your financial platforms, which will mean that you don't have that much of a freedom nor privacy to go about your money. All right, so what happens when this censorship regime gets to an all-time high? Who are going to be the ones that are going to be needed is the Web3 developers, because we bridge the gap between a controlled platform financially to what? Uncontrolled platform. We make things safe for people that can tread on the unsafe grounds. So we can actually build systems that will help people to use digital currencies and retain the privacies of clients, privacies of people on the blockchain spaces, and bring back sanity to this whole censorship craziness that is happening in our time. So if you really want to be rooted in the blockchain, be rooted in it, understand how to build decentralized applications. All right, understand how to build this decentralized application and master them, master the arts, build skills around it. Okay, I need to see skills in the way you code it, in your structures. You need to get matured in that. You need to have your project on GitHub. Put your project out there on GitHub so that people can see. Okay, yes, if you want a job, seek out for a job. Make sure that you're reaching out. Make sure that you're publicizing information about this project that you're building on. If you have a YouTube channel, put it on YouTube. But if you don't have a YouTube channel, you can start with something as simple as Medium, Dev.to, Hackanoon, and so many other ones that are all online there. Put yourself out there, and that will make you qualified to be hired. It makes you hireable, okay? Because it boosts your public credibility, okay? It amplifies the ability for people to believe that you can do that thing that you say that you can do, okay? And also putting your own portfolio website and show up all this demo. Put it on website where recruiters that are looking for you, they can really see and interact with your blockchain application. Build translate popular websites into the blockchain, okay, the blockchain-based application. Translate them into blockchain-based application and keep doing this thing, keep putting yourself, keep doing. You will receive offers, you'll be shocked. People will reach out to you and want to do stuff with you. I want to hire you. I get this a lot. I get a lot of people wanting me to work with them and so on and so there. Okay, this would not be possible if I have not, built myself, labored in attaining good quality skills here. I didn't jump from one train to the other. So you too cannot be jumping from one train to the other. So you have to be focused, you have to be rooted in whatever you're doing. If you're choosing to be an AI guy, then no problem. Make sure that you are 100% digging into this AI, okay? But if you're a blockchain dude, make sure you go deep into blockchain in every areas. What I will recommend is focus on building different use cases, okay, of blockchain application. In the ERC-721 tokens, build it around the ERC-720 tokens, build DAO systems, build marketplaces, Web3 versions of things, crowdfunding systems, and so have you. That is one of the things that we do on this channel. Okay, this channel is all about teaching people and helping them transition from, being a Web2 developer into a Web3 developer. You understand? And through showcasing different use cases, helping them to understand the ideas of how to build blockchain application. That is what we do on this channel. That is what our courses are for. That is what our upcoming Dapp Mentors Academy, is for. So I will really, really recommend you that you should stay rooted, because there are things that are going to be shaking you, which are called trends. Trends shake you if you've not determined, from the bottom of your heart towards stay rooted. So stay rooted in what you're doing. If you've seen the vision that this blockchain thing is your way, man, stay rooted. Okay. So I'm Darlington Gospel, and I just want to tell you the truth. Make sure you, like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and check out our website. We have a bunch of things coming up, our courses, our books, our membership platform, all of that you can check on our website. All right, I'll see you. Bye-bye.